I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. So I can sit out here and waste my life away, drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to, for people like me and people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is, oh it is, living in a new world, with an old soul. East Richmond, North of Richmond, Lord knows they own just one I don't control. Wanna know what they think, wanna know what you do, and they don't think you know, but I know that you do. Cause your dollar ain't shit and your tax to the wind, cause Richmond, North of Richmond. Well, how do they pluckers? I have a sort of things again with hopefully another interesting ditty for you. This is a bit of a modern protest song by a gentleman called Oliver Anthony, okay, which probably a lot of you have already heard. It was a new one on me until a couple of weeks ago. I am in standard tuning, but capoed at the 3rd fret puts us into the same key as Oliver Anthony performs this song in. Now you will notice if you watch videos of him, his guitar is capoed at the 5th fret. This is because he's got his guitar tuned a whole step down before he puts the capo on. So basically we are in the same key that he is, so cut a long story short. Okay, so let's get to it. So quite an easy song, apart from the fiddly bit on the D chord probably. Okay, so it starts off straight into verse 1, there's no intro. And it's single strums to start with, E minor, I've been selling my soul, C, working all day, a 4-fingered G, that's a G with the 3rd finger and pinky playing the 3rd fret from the capo on the 3rd top E string and B string there. If you don't want to, you can use the standard G if you want, but he's actually using the doubled up 3rd fret top string and B string. Okay. So start again. I've been selling my soul, E minor, C, working all day, G, overtime hours for, and then the D chord, bullshit pay. Now comes the tricky bit. He plays this all the way through like this, so it's a D chord and you strum it and you hammer into that 4th fret of the 3rd string from the capo with your pinky. Track slowly. Okay, got that? And you'll find that goes all the way through the song like that, with that D, little D bit, okay? So from the beginning, I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. So I can sit out here and waste my life away, drag back home and drown my troubles away. See, it's the same all the way through, okay? So the same sequence twice for the first verse, okay? So once again, just go through that. Once you've got this verse under your belt, you've got 90% of the song sorted, okay? So I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. So I can sit out here and waste my life away, drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a pre-chorus now, E minor again, damn shame what the... C, it's all the same chords, E minor, C, G and D, but this time we play the C chord with pinky on the top E string 3rd fret. So normal standard C chord, pinky added to the top E string 3rd fret. This is for the pre-chorus, right? It's a damn shame. C with a little pinky, with words gone too. And people like me and people like you. Wish I could just wake up. There's C with Pinky again. This is not true, but it G is. Oh, it D is. And then we're into the chorus, okay? So let's get to it again. Let's go all the way from the beginning now. I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. So I can sit out here and waste my life away, drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to, and people like me and people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is, oh it is. Now we're going into the chorus, living in, same chords again, living in a new world, with an old soul. These rich men north of Richmond, Lord knows they all just wanna have control. Wanna know what you think, you know what you do. You don't think you know, but I know that you do. Cause your dollar ain't shit, and it's taxed to no end. Cause I'm rich man, I'm rich man. And then we come to a slight instrumental bit, same chords, but it's... So it's the same chords, but this time a bit picking. So when you come out of that rich man north of Richmond, the usual bit on the D, E minor, and what you do is you play the bottom E string, alright, so it's bottom E string, top E string, then you put your pinky on that 3rd fret 2nd string, right, so it's bottom E string, top E string, 3rd fret 2nd string, then the top E string, 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay? Then we play a C chord. Right, so it's... Sorry. And you sort of strum a C. And you add that pinky to that top E string 3rd fret again. Same thing, you play the C, add your pinky to the top E string 3rd fret. Same picking as it was on E minor, top E string, 2nd string, top E string, 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay, so you got okay, and then form the G chord again, the 4-fingered G. What you do, what we do there is it's like a bass. So you play a G, then the 4th string open, and then strum. So it's like up to the 5th string and then back to the 4th string. So G, then the 4th string, then the 5th string, and then back to the 4th string, and then the D. And then that usual bit on the D with the pinky. So slowly this instrumental bit is once again. And then we're off into another verse, okay? At that point obviously I tended to finish it because there's another verse and another chorus and it's exactly the same to play with different words, okay? So there's no point in me doing it anymore. The boys are deaf in my singing, okay? So there you go, boys and girls. So we'll just go through the whole thing again, shall we? Just for a run through, right from the beginning, right to the end with the little instrumental bit before verse 2, okay? So here we go. I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. I sit out here, waste my life away, drag back home, I drag my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to, when people like me, people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is, oh it is, living in a new world with an old soul. These rich men over Richmond, Lord knows they all just wanna have total control. I wanna know what you think, wanna know what to do. They don't think you know, I know that you do. Cause your dollar ain't shit, and your tax to no one. Rich man over Richmond. Something like that. Sorry, I messed up the words a bit at the end, but you got the idea. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.